So for our meditation for tonight, we will just find ourselves in a position that is most comfortable, particularly in a way in which you feel confident and supported, where we drop our shoulders and make our chests face the air, the sky, and we feel all of the space that exists above us, surrounding our world. What a great medium there is for the transference of energy. Today we become perhaps amplifiers of all the love within our heart. And we use that amplification to get the love within us and deliver it to where it needs to be, as if we are a network of delivery drivers. Except we deliver love rather than Amazon packages. In order to feel love, we have to be open to giving it too. This works because inside is the source of love, and outside is where we have to give our love. So it is from the osmosis, the osmotic gradient that flows from our heart to the world, that we feel the current of love the strongest. As such, let us imagine opening our hearts and giving our love to all those who are suffering, those who are going through illnesses, those who are in hospital beds, imagine sending our love in a wave to all those who are suffering. Imagine such a powerful force of love radiate from you that you hope that those in all the hospitals in the world right now are suddenly immersed in a deep feeling of trust that whatever happens, they will be okay. That they may heal, or that they may pass easily into whatever life the universe has for them next. Imagine bringing love to all those who are suffering and don't have the luxury to be in a hospital, that don't have treatment available to them, that those who are in war-torn countries or in disheveled areas and they are displaced from the ability to get the help that they need. Imagine empowering everyone in the world with faith that they will be successful, no matter where they find themselves to be. Imagine your heart like a speaker that reverberates with the soundless silence of love as it spreads far and wide across the whole of this world. Visualize a love so strong coming from within you that even an uncontacted civilization can feel your love. Maybe in a small community somewhere on this planet, or even somewhere across the universe. Perhaps imagine an alien right now suddenly feeling full of love, and you are responsible for that. Somewhere in the universe there is a life form that is suddenly immersed in our love, and we give that freely, anonymously, and we are made happy just by giving, without needing to take any credit to. And we know that this acknowledgement of all the places that deserve our love is just the beginning. And one day these seeds of love may blossom into us giving in other ways through charitable or humanitarian activity, where we put ourselves directly in front of those who need our help. But until then, we affirm them at a spiritual level, that our love remains with them, and may they be empowered to use that, to grow, to heal, to make a difference. And feel all that love you have to give to everyone in the universe. Imagine that love permeating all of the blades of grass, all of the mushrooms, all of the single-celled organisms, all of the trees. Imagine a love so powerful even a rock could feel it. Perceive in you the ability to give love to even an atom, and make the whole universe echo with the sentiments of your soul. And then imagine all the love that that universe has for you too, and how important and necessary your existence is. And we'll end on retracting that love, or rather retracting the doors of our heart, but still let that love remain with every place that we've given it, because we recognize that having an open heart can be a vulnerable experience, and we can provide ourselves some solidarity to be safe until the next time we open our heart again to give, which you can do at any time, by the way. Feel a resolution in the heart that your love has gone where it needs to go. And if your eyes were closed for this time, you can rub your hands together, and through the power of friction, make the skin nice and warm, and bring it over your eyes. Feel the warmth on your eyelids. Gently rub them, blink a few times, and awaken. Thank you for participating in that prayerful meditation. May your love have a deeper effect than even our own mind may believe.